Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
If you love pakoras, you're going to love the recipe that we have for you today. It's made with chicken and you guessed it, they're chicken pakoras. So for the chicken pakoras, of course you need chicken. I have about 250 grams of boneless chicken that I've just ground up in the mixer. Now this is not chicken mince. You'll see that it's not very fine. I find it best to use boneless chicken and then get the consistency that you want for this recipe. To this, I'm going to add 2 onions that have been sliced. Now I'm going to add the masalas. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, half a teaspoon of amchur or raw mango powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now the most important thing, a teaspoon of salt. Now mix all of this together really well. The chicken and spices are mixed together really well. And now, before I move on to mixing the besan mixture, I'm going to start heating the oil. Now this is going to be on a high flame. You can adjust the flame when you're frying the pakoras, but for now I'm going to leave it on a high flame. Now in this large bowl, I've got 3/4 of a cup of chickpea flour or besan. To this, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This will really help with the texture of the pakoras. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is just fab for color. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just mix this into the flour so that it's evenly distributed. Now I'm going to add the water, but I don't like adding it all in one go because I want to achieve the consistency that I can control. So I'm going to start with 1/4 cup and then see how much I need. I'm going to add another 1/4 cup. Just make sure that there are no lumps in the batter. Now that's the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. Now I'm going to add this chicken mixture to the besan mixture. And mix this through, making sure that the chicken is completely coated in the besan mixture. The oil has heated up and now all that's left to do is to fry up our chicken pakoras. That's it. Our chicken pakoras are absolutely done. I'm just going to leave them on a paper towel so that the oil can drain a bit, and then we're ready to eat them. You saw just how easy these pakoras are to make, and it's just such a fun spin on regular pakoras that I'm sure you'll love them. And when you try this recipe, please like the video, comment below, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to Get Curried.